Hi ladies, welcome back to part 2 of my Princess Purse mini album, and I've just got a tag here that I've glimmer misted and now doing some journaling lines and attaching some fibres and just placed on a little bird stamp there. This album has quite a few tags in it. Thought the acetate needed a bit of blinging, so added some pink rhinestones to it. Now cutting another pocket out of some acetate. Just working out where I need to cut it to size. And this one here is going to have two sides to two separate pockets. So I've put the sticky strip right around the edge and then up the middle of it. Now taking a stamp, just stamping it onto my stamp positioning tool just to get the right position there. And just placed I think that was a foam piece there, that heart, placed it on the file folder there while I glimmer misted the top section of that file folder just to leave the heart impression, and going around the edges, defining it more, doing some faux stitching. And now just placing a rub on there, the word love. And now adhering it to the middle section of that piece of acetate. Also just place that ribbon underneath, so that'll be the closure on this little file folder. And now I've decided I should punch the holes for the binding rings to go through now before I place something there that I shouldn't in the road. Now these tags were just a bit too long, so I've just cut the end off and then rounded the edges with my corner rounder. Now just taking my polka dot stamp there and inking it up with some distress ink. And stamped it on there. It's a Hero Art stamp. And just going over the entire tag with some distress ink. Front and back. And now stamping a butterfly on the bottom corner, just off the page. And now just drawing on some journaling lines. I think it's a Creative Memories template, journal lines template there. Now these are the jumbo eyelets from We Are Memory Keepers. And just taking some fibres to put through that eyelet there. And then placing some white fibres there. Okay, taking my butterfly stamp, inking it up with some red stays on ink. And then again just distressing the edges. and taking a Hero Arts cling stamp there of a butterfly and just stamping that in the corner of the back section of that tag, and then just drawing some journaling lines over around that butterfly. And there's another tag. And the last tag for this page, just a tiny little tag there, and placing the stamp, the tag on the stamp, so that I could get the part of the design that I wanted. And I stamped that using the red StazOn ink as well. Going around the edges again, both sides, and then drawing the journal lines this time. Alright, I've just taken a piece of chipboard, this is from Bella, and taken some white gesso and painting it up, priming it up ready, and now some green acrylic paint and covered it with, it's called Green Light, and then taking some lettuce alcohol ink and inking up a dewdrop, and I've just got a polka dot green brad, fairly large one compared to the mini brad there. The mini brad's silver, so there's 3 different size holes in this chipboard piece. So I've taken I think it was a silver brad, then I've got the green alcohol ink on the dewdrop, and then the large polka dot brad to fit into those holes, and then adhered it to the page. Alright, I've just taken a piece of cardstock, made it into a trifold, rounded the corners, and then adhered it to another page using my ATG, and that first side there is going to fold over and make a pocket section. Just inking up some designer paper there, just the edges, just to place on the inside. And you'll see there that I'd already put, I think what I'd put on there was another calendar, so I had to cover it up with some designer paper. And these are more clear stickers. Then took a dimensional sticker there and adhered it to the centre, and as an afterthought thought a couple of feathers might be appropriate for the top section there. And that's that sort of area complete except for the tag. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for part 3.